Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change screenshot format on OPPO devices. Okay, so all you need to do, just quickly grab your phone, and the first thing that you need to do, just click the power volume down button. Wait a second, sorry. You need to click the power volume down button and click the power button at the same time. And it should create a screenshot. Click on the screenshot, and as you see, all you need to do, just on the top right, you see the three dots connected. It's a share button, and then you just click and go to the right, and as you see, you can convert to any other formats that you would like VPS, Office, JPEG to PPT to Excel to Word to PDF. That's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.